I have New Beauty's Beauty Report box to unbox for you today. Stay tuned to see what's inside of it. I can't wait. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. I plan to unbox every beauty box ever created. You won't want to miss that. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Today I have New Beauty's Beauty Report box, and it used to be called Time Capsule, some kind of capsule. I don't know if this is the same thing with a new name or if this is a different box that New Beauty puts out. Regardless, this is the one they sent me. I love the price. I love that it came with so many products and I had to have it. Let's see what's inside. It says it's a $370 value. Can't beat that. Ooh, look at that. Excited. Living Proof Triple Detox Shampoo. This is a full-size product here. This Living Proof is so expensive. That's great. Perlice Green Tea and Vitamin C Brightening Sheet Mask. Feels like maybe there's more than one. Oh yeah, it's a whole package. Let's see how many are in here. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheet masks. What even? That's crazy. Already worth. Hello Activated Charcoal and Natural Dragon Fruit Epic Whitening Fluoride Free Toothpaste. That is a mouthful. This box is pretty though, don't you think? And so is the toothpaste. Look at that. How cute. Shall we taste it? Let's taste it. I'm not gonna lie. If toothpaste doesn't taste good, I will never brush my teeth with it. It is black. Delicious. Minty. What else do we have in here? Hask Biotin Boost Thickens and Detangles 5-in-1 Leave-In Spray. That's nice. First of all, this bottle, gorgeous, gorgeous. And that does a lot of stuff. Let's smell it. Smells very hairspray-y. Okay, just some little cotton squares. I almost called them rounds, but this is in fact a square rectangle. Just says Pure Cotton by Kogendo. I butchered that. I feel terrible. I butchered it. Correct me. Derma E, one of my favorites. This in particular is the Vitamin C Concentrated Serum with Hyaluronic Acid. Yes! Everything I've tried of Derma E has been spectacular. I cannot wait to try this. Smells like oranges. Very nice. I like it a lot. That's good news. If you're looking for a good lotion, if you're looking for a good chemical exfoliator, Derma E has the best. There's still a ton of stuff in here. Ode Olive Oil Body Balm Citrus. Is there a theme? Or that just coincidence that I pulled 2 orange flavored things out at once? This smells so good you could eat it. Bioderma Micellar Water. Good stuff right there. I've got some of this. Lovely Skin Brightening Gel. Never heard of this brand. It's a cute little bottle. Just it works on hyperpigmentation. I've got a video right there on what hasn't worked on my age spots. We'll see if that one does. You'll want to subscribe to find out. Neostrata Resurface Foaming Glycolic Wash. Fantastic. So excited about this. Yes, I'm easy to please. I love beauty boxes. I can't help it. They're so fun. They're so fun. Are they fun to you? Tell me below if you think they're fun. And tell me below what your favorite one is. Exactly what it claims to be. I love it. Still a couple things in here. Tizo Non-Tinted SPF 40 Sunscreen. Broad Spectrum. Cute little box. Wow. I'm impressed. That's a pretty decent size there. CO Eye and Smile Lift Overnight Wrinkle Smoothing Patches. These things are fantastic. I love these things. 4 reusable silicone patches. And they really are reusable. You can use them for a while.
Just the last thing. Please be something good.
It is Grande Lips Hydrating Plumper. I've actually wanted to try this for a while now, but it's always been just a little bit more than I wanted to pay. I don't want to throw the instructions away because I'm sure there are some instructions. Instructions! Look at this. Isn't this pretty? If this is the color it is, I'm gonna like it. I think this is my favorite beauty box ever. So much stuff. I know it's a little bit on the pricier ends of beauty boxes. Don't get me wrong. I don't think this is a $10 beauty box, but you get so many things. Let's count the items.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 things.
12 things. Be sure and tell me below what your favorite beauty box is so I can try it if I haven't. And be sure and subscribe if you're not a subscriber so you watch all of these unboxings and everything beauty related here on my channel. I'll see you real soon.